Hello, my name is Linda Brown, and my inquiry question is: how is the plantation of palm oil crops impacting the decline of the orangutan throughout Malaysia and Indonesia? I chose this topic because it is a matter of high importance, as the orangutans are close to extinction and have been declared critically endangered by the IUCN. Deforestation for the purpose of all palm plantations conversion has been suggested as the main cause for the rapid decline of orangutan numbers found in the wild. Currently, there are less than 60,000 orangutans surviving in Borneo and less than 8,000 in Sumatra. The purpose of this project is to explore the connection between the loss of the orangutan and the impact this has on the environment. The initial search involved the researcher accessing search engines such as Google to determine credible websites in order to gather relevant and helpful information. Keywords included orangutans, deforestation, palm oil, great ape, conservation of habitats, Asia, Indonesia, and Malaysia. The researcher used booleans as part of their search. These included "and", such as orangutans and deforestation. The primary search involved accessing a number of academic articles through databases such as ProQuest and Google Scholar. The academic articles accessed through these databases helped the researcher to build a detailed and informative inquiry project. The challenges included biased websites in favor for the orangutans, which included a number of emotive images and a lack of statistical evidence. Areas that the researcher found helpful included readily available information, easy to read academic articles, which included headings and subheadings. Some of the key findings for this project include: orangutans eat the fruit and scatter the seed by providing opportunities for regrowth, ensuring healthy, fertilized forests, therefore playing an important role in maintaining a healthy forest. Decline in orangutan numbers result in the loss of biodiversity. Asian elephants, Sumatran rhinos, and Sumatran tigers are dependent on the survival of the orangutan. Palm oil is used in a number of food, hygiene, and general household items, meaning it is highly profitable, and the need for income overrules the need for conservation. Orangutans share 98% of their DNA with humans and are highly intelligent animals. Extinction of the orangutan would result in an eradication of humans' closest relative, and many of other animals and plants would also be at risk of extinction. People can help save the orangutan by buying products that are palm oil free, making donations to organisations such as the Orangutan Project, writing letters to governments petitioning stricter logging laws. Links to the Australian curriculum. In Year 2, the students will explore the connection between conservation and vitality of forests. Students will discuss links between healthy forests and survival of the orangutan and the impact of this. In Year 3, students will make predictions based on current trends of deforestation and oil palm plantations. Students will discuss changing climate and will make predictions on how this will affect the survival of the great apes. In Year 4, students will explore the chain reaction and effects of the extinction of the orangutans. Students will discuss relationships between the animals living in the tropical forest and how survival of different species are dependent on one another. Sustainability. Students examine the symbiotic relationships between forest lands and the animals that live there, and how the trees and the animals depend on each other for survival. Students will explore links between humans and orangutans and how the survival of the apes is beneficial to creating a more sustainable future for both humans and creatures. Students will discuss the implications of clearing forests for oil palm plantations and how the conservation of the orangutan habitats is beneficial to reducing carbon emission and providing cleaner water and ensuring a more sustainable future for humans and orangutans alike. This concludes my talk. Thank you for listening. Any questions or comments?